Hi everyone. Today video I will be making a simple furniture, easy to build, but it looks so beautiful and looks so expensive to me. Okay then, I'm not wasting any time. Let's get build it. In this project, I only use scrap wood from pallet wood and a single cord. I'm not using any screw or pin nail in this project, just 100% wood and glue. I cut and rip all the material as a plan, but you guys don't worry, all the cut list for this build I will put inside this video like usual. Okay, after cutting all the material length as a plan, the next step I'm going to draw a line, 65-degree angle line, like so. I use my cheap protractor for making the 65-degree angle. After that, I just cut all that 65-degree angle using my miter crosscut fence. You can use miter saw for this 65-degree angle cut, more easier. But since I built this DIY table saw, I barely never use my miter saw. I just love using all the cut using this table saw with the sliding mechanism and the miter cut fence. If you guys interested with this table saw build series, you can check on my playlist. Okay, the next step we're going to make a taper cut. I'm using my sliding mechanism using my hold on clamp for this taper cut. But if you guys don't have a table saw with the sliding mechanism, you can use tapering jig for this cut. Okay, the next step I will use a finger joint to join these two together. Finger joint is going to make a strong joint for this application. Okay, after the main frame is already done, next I'm going to add this. For this application, I recommend you guys using a hardwood, not the pine wood or the softwood, because this is the important part for this build. This is going to hold all the strength for this furniture. Okay, the next step is set my table saw blade at 87.5. So this is going to be joined with the frame with this 87.5 angle. Okay, I will make 22 hole with the 6 millimeter drill bit, and this hole is going to for the cord. Next, I will chamfer this hole, so this hole is not going to make any sharp edge. Okay, I only use a butt joint for this application because I will reinforce it with hardwood dowel. I will use a 10 millimeter dowel, and that dowel is also a hardwood. I think it will be hold strong. Okay, I also add this reinforcement. So this is will reinforce the structure, especially for the joint. Okay, then for this frame, it's already done. This relaxing chair, single cord relaxing chair, is already done. Now we're going to add the cord to this structure. And okay, then it's done. You have a lounge chair with a single cord. Simple, right? I think for this project, it cost me around $15 if I converted my local currency with the dollar. It's around $15 for this scrapwood and a single cord. So I think it's worth it. And I see this on the furniture store. It's around $200 in here. So, okay then, I think that's all for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like usual, give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't, and see you on my next project. Cheers.